Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo, umkhulu Moyane insizwa kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene sidlula dlile sakanobamba. Yena washiya libombo ngokuhlehletela. Right. I have a quick quote for today. Ngithi nginibulise ecala nyalo nyalo. Right. Stop chasing izinto ezingakufuni. Stop chasing darkness. Stop chasing toxic relationships. Stop chasing bad habits, because of kusasa they're gonna end up consuming you in all kind of ways. So now try to understand the level ukuthi the universe ukuthi ikhuluma nawe kanjani. In some cases we just desperate for life, we just desperate to feel comfortable, we just desperate to feel wanted, we just desperate to seek those jobs, we're just desperate for growth. At some point, the direction that you're trying to go, it's at some point neglecting you, at some point rejecting you. So now when it rejects you, you must just find your feet. You must just understand why it keeps on rejecting you, because of now there's a message behind that. Some light goes with darkness. So now you need to separate the two so that you can find the light. It's like a toxic relationship. So once you let go of the other party, then you find light, right? So now to find that growth and light upon your life by separating the darkness to the light. At some point we're chasing the darkness, ignoring the light, because of now we ignoring certain directions. We ignore indlela zokuthi ke manje mina ngifuna le ekubini ke le ongayifuni hile yokufuna. So now you need to understand and try by all means to separate the two. Remove yourself from toxic relationships and toxic environments so that you can find growth and healing. Some people abakwazi ukuthola healing because of they want a quick fix. A quick fix, it has dangerous circumstances. So now you need to understand that you need to separate the two. That's why at some point, even no more parts will get consumed, even no more ones and get consumed because you want a quick fix. Ayikho imali esheshayo guys, ayikho imali esheshayo, ayikho ilight esheshayo, kodwa into esheshayo ukuthi ubumnyama buhamba busheshe buzwakala. Yabona uzwakale ngenye indlela exakile uzuzizwa ukuthi ngathi yaphanisheka ngakho zonke izindlela. So now try by all means to understand that and find healing. If you do not understand, just try and consult and try to find indlela proper ukuthi usebenzeke ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubone indlela. Right, ngokusho njalo ke siliphathele baso leli liyasebenza ngazo zonke izindlela. Lisusa umkhokha umubi, lisusa konke okungafuneki, lisusa these toxic relationships within the spirit realm, within the space, within whatever le obhekane nayo. It can separate the two and yukufake into the light. So now mawuyisebenzisa khona izinto ezikumele ukuthi uyisebenzisa ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi you clean, ukwazi ukuthi ke isuse all this izinto ezikusuppressayo, like the spiritual husbands, like this dark orders, like abantu bayakudinekela unesidina nakho konke lokho izinto zakho azipompi. Thola ke isimo sokuthi manje ukuthi communicate namadlozi wakho, communicating no whatever spirit that you want to seek, ukwazi ukuthi mawushisa ukuthi before uzoshisa impepho nakho konke lokho uyawazi ukuthi ususe imikhokho, ususe yonke into engafuneki. So iyanceda kakhulu ke lokhu ngesimo sokuthi ke manje separate all this bad into good. It can separate all these relationships that you inherited within your space. So now yasusa nje iclean isimo nje sakho sibe kahle and futhi ukwazi ukuthi kudonse ngisho nenhlanhla. So now leli baso leli liyasebenza kakhulu futhi ngesimo sokuthi ke manje ukhulu ndodlobale, ukhulu ubone ukuthi isimo sakho sempilo sime kanjani. Ungahlali nje ukhamisela ukuthi hayi uNkulunkulu uzokunceda whatever amandla sokhaza azokunceda. You need to stand so that ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube ne movement within your life. If uhlezi ayikho into ezenzakala. So khona abantu abathontshelwayo, khona abantu abaphela imisebenzi, khona abantu abadenekelayo, khona abantu abanezichitho necwaca bathi nje uyaphahla kumnyama ngoba namadlozi wakho asebumnyameni. Thatha lento zokwazi ukuthi uphile ophokophile phambili. Uphokophile phambili into zakho ibonakale and then qhaqheka siqhubeke kuye phambili. Ngithi akubeni kuhle kudede ubumnyama kuvele kukhanya. Inamba ethi 071 28 31 481 071 28 31 481. Ukhulumani kaNkosi uDlamini Wekunene. Thokozani.